Hello, welcome to this video. Inside this we are going to learn the different type of the payloads. So the question is, what is the payload? A payload in Metasploit refers to an exploit module. So there are generally three types of payloads. First one is the singles. Singles are payloads that are the self-contained and completely standalone. A single payload can be something as simple as adding a user to the target system or running an application like as calculator. The second one is the stagers. Stagers set up a network connection between the attacker and the victim, and they are designed to be very small and reliable. So the third one is the stages. Stages are payload components that are downloaded by the stager module. The various payload stages provide advanced features with no size limitations, such as Metasploit, VNC injection, and of course for the iPhone there is iPhone cell. So we briefly covered the three main payload type, that is the singles, stagers, and stages. The Metasploit contains many different types of payloads. Each one is serving a unique role within the framework. So let's take a brief look into the various types of payloads available into the Metasploit framework. So the first one is the inline, that is also called as non-staged. A single payload contains the exploit and full shell code for the selected task. Inline payloads are by design more stable and their counterparts because they contain everything all in one. The second one is the stager. Stager payloads work in conjugation with the stage payloads in order to perform a specific task. A stager establishes a connection between the attacker and the victim machine. And the third one is very famous payload, that is the Metasploit. So in the short, Metasploit full name is the Meta Interpreter. It is an advanced multifaceted payload that operated via DLL injection. The Metasploit resides completely in the memory of the remote host and leave no trace on the hard drive. So it is very difficult for the forensic investigator to find out any traces. The next one is the PayWorks. PayWorks is a payload that can help in circumventing restrictive outbound firewalls. It does this by using an ActiveX control to create a hidden instance of Internet Explorer. The next is NoNux. NoNux, or we can say no execute bit, a feature built into our CPU to prevent code from the executing in the certain areas of the memory. So in Windows, NX is implemented as data execution prevention. The Metasploit NoNux payload are designed to circumvent the data execution prevention. So the next one is the ORD. Ordinal payloads are Windows stager-based payloads that have the distinct advantage and disadvantage. Next one is the IP version 6 payload. So as the name indicates, these are the built to function over IP version 6 networks. So last but not the least is reflective DLL injection. Reflective DLL injection is a technique whereby a stage payload is injected into a compromised host process running in memory. So it's never touching the host hard drive. The VNC and the Metasploit payloads both make use of the reflective DLL injection. One of the authors, Stephen Fewer, talk about the reflective DLL injection. You can Google that name and find out the PDF if you are just interested. So that's it for this video. In the next video we are going to generate the payloads. So see you in the next video.